it really helps to put all your work together. Okay, the next feature we will be looking at is the task feature. The task is basically just, you click on it, choose when something might be due, for example, or an exam. Let's say for instance next week I have a math exam. So we write math exam, and here you have it. We could also for instance say one that's maybe closer to today. We say today, and then we say for instance English project. When we now merge this one with this one, for instance, you're gonna see that we can merge the task and have a whole task list. Finally, almost finished, we'll go to the tag. Now for instance, say you have math, but you have a specific equation that you're not quite sure of, so you want to ask the professor if that's correct. We'll have a, for instance, 7 and a y to the y to the somewhere away. Okay, wait, sorry, my apologies. Okay, so it's bracket and 6 times 4, for instance. You're not sure about the answer, so you want to go ask your professor what exactly you need to do. So you can choose here from the options, and you could choose the tag option, the question option. You could put the question and merge it with this box if you want, or if you feel better you could just click it and then type the question. After you've done that, so you can see from the box here, from the drop down, you have an idea. Maybe you just struck a breakthrough on a new engineering concept, or you could highlight some text, a to-do list, and also something that could really be useful is a specific thing you might find more important than other things. Then we also have the clip option here. Now hold on to your boots here, boys, because this is kind of rough. Okay, we click on the clip option, choose this area that we want to insert into our OneNote, click on it, and here it brings it automatically onto your thing. This is the whole, so it's basically like a screen capture, but screen capturing made easy. Let me get back to my subpage here. Okay, so this is basically if you have something important or maybe a website and you don't want to copy and paste, it's easier to just take a clip of it. Then finally you can use the audio option. Audio option allows you to put a piece of audio into your OneNote. We click on enable audio search here. Somewhere where it is. Oh no, wait. My apologies, I made a mistake here. Okay, so we click here. We can record, we could stop, and if we want, we could listen to what it sounds like. Okay, beautiful. Okay, my partner just reminded me to show you as well. We have the option here, the sync option. This could sync this information that you've typed up or maybe have on the screen to cell phones, laptops, and all different kinds of electronic devices, especially Blackberries as well, which would be really helpful for busy business people. Okay guys, that's it for my section. Have a great day. Take care.
So I was wondering, how do you use this notebook for engineers? How is it useful for engineers? How is it going to help me as an engineer? Tell me that.
Well, you see, Barry, engineers have to be on the job anywhere and everywhere. So the thing with OneNote is you don't just use it on your computer. It's not a piece of paper. You need to keep that same piece of paper or the notebook with you wherever you go. OneNote is flexible. You can use it on many items and many devices such as, say, PDAs, mobiles, laptops, computers, anything. And the best thing is you can input data from any one of those devices and merge the two together automatically using the synchronization tool. It is that simple. Once you get the hang of it, of course, you'll be able to do everything flawlessly and easily within seconds.
you see, this is useful for the engineers. But what about my doctor? I mean, I don't want to lie there on the table and him not being prepared. I want to know what he's planning to do. Tell me, how is that going to help me? How is it going to show me what he's prepared to do? How is it going to show any of us what the doctor's going to do? How is the doctor going to be prepared? How is he going to stop me from dying on his table?
Well, doctors can easily use it because there are different sections in the notebook. So say they can have one section just for the timings of the surgeries, and they could have, say, another section for the details of each surgery, so they're up to date with everything. And the thing is, doctors, just like any other profession, need to have good teamwork. And good teamwork is enabled by effective communication. How does OneNote help effective communication? Well, when you're creating a notebook, you have an option of creating a shared notebook. The shared notebook enables multiple users to add data, input data into one notebook that is viewed by all. Therefore, doctors can usually stay up to track with all the information and all the new procedures that have come out.
Okay, what is this useful application? How is it going to help me? What is it? What is this all about? Come on, like how can it help us? What are the applications? Which applications are useful? Which kind of is it useful? Doctors or engineers? Yeah, okay. So, come on, tell me a little bit about this.
Well, there are lots of options. The main two that I can think of is synchronization. And as I said earlier, you can get multiple users to input different amounts of data into the same notebook, or you can use the same information on different devices, and that's the most obvious thing. The other really important thing that I think is useful with OneNote will be the task option. The task option enables you to have text written out in bullet points, and then if you think it's really important, like say when you're an engineer or a doctor and you need to keep in touch with everything and you have like fixed schedules, then you can easily import that data into Outlook. It does it automatically. That's the whole point of having tasks, because it adds the information to your calendar and you have everything you need to be on time.
Do something fun. So this is Barry saying, "Come in like a pro."
And this is Anam saying Barry is an idiot.
This is Barry saying, "Anna, mind your own business."
This is Anam saying I've had enough.
This is Barry saying, "Bye."
This is Anam saying bye.
Thank you, come again.